subscribing to my channel by clicking on that red subscribe button, and also hit that bell button next to it so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So in today's video, I'm going to share a review of a product which is launched by Nykaa. These are the Nyka's All Day Matte Liquid Lipstick. So this is the liquid lipstick. So I have picked up 2 shades from them, and I have been using these products for around 1.5 months till now. And so I thought I'll go ahead and share my review with you guys, and also a quick swatch of the 2 shades which I have picked up. So yes, without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So these are the 2 shades which I have picked from the Nykaa All Day Matte range. The name of the shades are Dear Doc and Dream Wife. So they come in this kind of plastic packaging like this, and when you open it up, you get the applicator like this. The quantity you get in each of this product is 2.1 ml, and it costs only 349 rupees. I think the pricing is really great for this product, and the quantity is also pretty good. So now let's go ahead and check what Nykaa claims about this product. So Nykaa claims that these products are all day matte formula, and they will stay up to 12 hours, waterproof, transfer proof and mask proof as well, non-drying formula, and 1-stroke application. So we will see all these claims, and I will give you my opinion about this claim. So they come in 10 beautiful shades. So as I have already mentioned, I have 2 shades from them, Dear Doc and Dream Wife. One is a nude, one is from the nude family, another one is from a pink family. So currently I'm wearing the shade Dream Wife, and I will say that I really love the formula. For the price you're paying, you are getting a really nice formulation of lipstick. These lipsticks are also cruelty free, paraben free, and are vegan. So yes, definitely love all these aspects of this lipstick. And you can see the lipstick is completely dried out right now, and it is 100% transfer proof. There is no product in it. If I rub it also, there is nothing in my finger. You can see it is completely transfer proof, and yeah, definitely is a good thing. You can apply this under your mask as well, and it will stay put and won't budge from your lips. So coming to the formula, they are definitely completely matte liquid lipstick. So if you have dry and chapped lips, I would recommend you go ahead and scrub your lips and apply a lip balm, remove the excess lip balm, and then go ahead and apply these lipsticks. They glide on beautifully as mentioned in their claims. They are really very pigmented. With 1 stroke you will get an opaque finish. I will definitely give you a demo how it applies on my lips as well. Now coming to the staying power of this lipstick, they stay for really long time. I have worn those lipsticks for around 8 to 9 hours, and they stayed beautifully on my lips. I have also had foods and drinks, and they stayed beautifully on my lips after all the drinks and food as well. If you eat oily food, do remember it will get removed from the center of your lips, and yeah, you might need to reapply that time. Other than that, the staying power is really good. I really like the comfort level. It is not too drying. I don't feel like my lips are getting dried like Sahara Desert. Nothing like that. I feel pretty comfortable. I have been wearing this shade for around 3 to 4 hours now, and you can see it is staying put till now. I don't even have a crack. I will definitely give you a zoom view as well. So yes, if you want me to rate this lipstick, I will rate 8.5 to 9. So yeah, definitely for the price point, I will definitely recommend you can pick this product up. They have a nice range of shades as well. So yes, that's about it. That's a pretty quick and easy review of this product. Definitely I give a thumbs up. Check this out, get your shade, and let me know in my Instagram handle if you like it or not. Let's go ahead and see the demo for application and removal of this product. With makeup and without makeup, you will be able to see them parallelly and decide if you like this shade and want to pick this shade. So these are the hand swatches of this lipstick. This is Dear Doc and this is Dream Wife, and you can see it is completely transfer proof right now. Let's go ahead and try to remove this lipstick as well. So I have my Garnier Micellar water and a cotton pad. Now let's see how it removes the lipstick from the lips. I'll just zoom in you all a little more. as you can see, it is not the easiest to remove. You have to go over your lips like 4 to 5 times and it completely removes it. Does not remove any stain or anything. My lips feels good, doesn't feel dry or anything. So yes, that's about it for today's video, guys. I hope you have enjoyed and it was helpful to you guys. If you have any kind of question regarding this or any other things, definitely leave your comments below. I would love to reply to you guys. Also check out my Instagram for many other quick makeup tutorials and other fun reels which I have started posting there. That's about it for today's video. I hope you stay happy and healthy. I will see you super soon in my next video. Till then, take care, love you, bye bye.
Ryan Little.